In this video, we are going to be learning how to create a distribution list or group in Outlook. A distribution list helps you to send email to different email addresses using a single email address. It makes the work easier. You get to send emails to different email addresses at the same time because you have created them in a list. So follow me as we learn how to create a distribution list or group in Outlook. The first thing to do is to make sure you're on the home panel. This is it. So your screen should be looking like this. Now, scroll down the navigation pane and you're going to find groups. Click on groups and then click on new group. You should have something like this. Type in the name of the group you intend to create. For example, let's say I'm creating a doctors group. Now, you can put a description so that you know what the group is about. Now, click on create. You hold on for your group to be created. After doing that, you add the name or email addresses of the people that you want to be on this list. For example, let's say I want this particular email address to be on the list. I just type it in. And then click on add. So hold on while your group is created. Now, how do you know that your distribution list was successfully created? Below the groups here, you can see doctors group. I hope you found this video helpful. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this one. And I'm so happy to let you know that the subscribe button doesn't bite. Bye.